He did this revolutionary work in New Guinea, showed photos of 6 emotions, static photographs of anger, fear, sadness, disgust, surprise, and a smile. They kind of interpreted the faces like you or I would, naming it, using the right words to describe those faces. And that, and this is how science occasionally works, which is just by accident, that became the field. And there are a lot of debates about how reliable those faces are, how universal are they in different cultures. Ekman really posited sort of a strong universality. That's been contested by Jim Russell, Lisa Feldman Barrett, and others. But since then, there are controversies around how hardwired they are. Do they occur reliably in a child's development? Yes and no. Young children show disgust expressions like social mammals do. They wince at bad smells just like you or I would. Anger is a little bit trickier to pin down developmentally. But then our lab and several labs around the world, Jess Tracy at UB British Columbia, Disa Souter, and I want to talk about this computational work, started to expand the vocabulary of faces. And now there's a lot of data that suggests there are 20 different facial expressions. Laughter, love, compassion, awe, whoa, embarrassment, shame, pain, and that in some sense has broadened the taxonomy of emotions. We used to think of 6, now there are probably 20 distinct states in the mind. And that's where the field is heading, is to really start to think about physiological patterns, brain patterns of these distinct states.